Now I'm going to explain all what you have learned with this just simple idea. So what I did over here is I am, for example, designing a logo for a housing society or maybe some real estate agent. Okay, so you can see at the bottom, if you see over here, I have few ideas mind mapped, house and home. Either it could be a nest because going towards the birds area. It could be a building or apartment, and it could be a tent to live in, and it could be a hut if we go a bit old times or maybe something like that. So from all these ideas, I try to do different sketches over here. Here you can see I combined two things. One is text and one is the shape. So this is what I said, that try to combine two things. So this is a combination of one. On the left side, you can see I have written multiply. So I have used two houses and made them look together, connected together with one door, something like that. So this is multiplying. So two houses, then we have this nest. You can see two areas over here, two different shapes and two different styles. One is this bird nest, and this one looks a bit more than like a house. So I am going to discard this idea in the end. Okay, so here we have hiding and showing different areas. These two sections, let me show you these two. You can see over here I have hidden the bottom part of the home, but you can see just looking at these shapes, your mind is going to complete that this is a home. Similarly over here, this is again I'm showing and hiding few areas of this home, adding one more at the top. We can refine that at the end in Adobe Illustrator or any other software. Okay, so again here we have the apartment ideas. Here we have an apartment with the different windows in it, and here we have an apartment simplified version. So you can also use simplify technique to simplify different shapes. For example, I just use a rectangle for the windows rather than showing smaller rectangles, because on smaller sizes this is going to look better. So this is how you generate multiple ideas from a single idea. Here is a case study. I actually designed logos for this HouseChimp, and you can see the chimp, although the chimp is basically a chimpanzee. I am not sure what it actually means, but my client says that we want something like that. So you can see here I try to combine two shapes. So they were basically saving money on their you can say and buying houses. So this house shape and this pound sign, currency sign, is for saving. Here is just the outline version, and here's another design iteration for this one. Here you can see I rotated it and created a you can say perspective of that. So here you can see this is also HouseChimp, and this bar, actually the green or orange, it is acting as the center line of the H. And then let me show you a few more ideas. Here you can see another idea. Actually, I don't like that this left side of H is going too much up. I think it should be a bit smaller. Anyhow, these are two more ideas. This is how it looks on a card. These are few presentations. They really matter. Whenever you present, you are going to present it like that. So this is how you can get different ideas. This is a combining method. Here I combined H and the shape of a house. This is perspective. I try to rotate it. I try to create a 3D effect or perspective view of that house. Here is again combination of two ideas, different ideas. This is how you get different ideas. Let me show you a few more examples. Here you can see this is I got from 99 Designs, and here you can see property company, and again it is multiplying using different multiplying shapes, three shapes. Again multiply two different sides of a house showing. This is again I'm not sure what is this. Anyhow, this looks great. Flow, using flow. This is a flow usage in this Homestead investor group. And then we have this Peterson property management designed by Votre. And you can see again, it is combination of two ideas. One is these buildings and one is this house. This is again house. This is a perspective mode. You can see again it is using two shapes S, and this section over here, this looks like a house. Again, multiply, really like it. Hiding areas on the bottom, just showing the top of the house, and it actually makes sense that this is house. I really like this logo. Actually, I use them from Google. You can so I'm not sure what are different you can say authors of these designs, but really good designs, just to show you what it actually means. So this is how you can get different ideas, and you can generate multiple ideas from single idea. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson, and I got a lot of ideas to create awesome looking designs and ideas and logos and designs. I hope you have learned a lot. Let's move on to the next lesson.